So in this video I'm going to show you how to change your router bit using your automatic tool changer on your JWEI JCUT Cutter. So first thing I need to do is I need to go to my JWEI CAM. I'm going to go down to change router. I then need to identify which bit I need to change. Now currently my machine has the router bit from position 2 in there. So I would assume that's probably a 4mm, but I could also check it by having a look at the bit under there, which it is a 4mm. Now if I want to change it to the router bit that's in position 1, for example, I then click on position 1 like that. So it's highlighted. You can see if I change to 3, there you go. Position 1, then I'm going to go to auto change router over this side here. That's going to start off my bit change procedure. So it's just cleaning the router bit. It's then going to come over to this router bit's position, which is number 2, and check that there's nothing in there. It's now done that, and it's going to drop that router bit into the correct position. It's now checking that it's done that. It's then going to check the position that we want to change to, making sure there is a router bit in there. Now it's done it, it's now finding that router bit. It's now found the router bit. It's now going to check that it has actually done that and there's nothing in there now. And then it's going to go over to our tool height and it's going to do our tool height for us. That's now completed, but on screen it's going to say to us, the tool number has been saved. Please pay attention to whether the tool depth value is correct. So what that means is that yes, it has done the tool height, but we are obviously in charge of making sure that that tool height was correct in the first place. So I'm happy that it is, so I'm going to press enter to say yeah, okay. And then to come out of this, we can just cancel. We haven't changed any settings in there that we need to save, and that's done. So that's how we use our automatic tool changer to change our router bit on our JWEI JCUT Cutter.